Again, trading does not have to be complicated. It is very complex. It is very uncertain. But it doesn't mean it has to be complicated. Okay? Simplicity. So here's like how emotion, and I'm pretty sure that for those of you who have been trading for a while, you know how emotions will impact our trading. So I have a story. So imagine a trader who sees the market move slightly against him. Fear kicks in. Most of the time we enter a position and the price makes us doubt a little bit because it's not going in a straight line in the direction of our trade. So we start to freak out because we expect the price to just go in the direction that we want. So we get scared and we might exit too early only to watch the trade turn around in our favor. Next trade, greed takes over. We had one win and now we want more. We jump into a setup and it's not part of the plan. I mean, I had this goal of making $200 today, but I just made $180. Oh, that setup looks very bearish. I'm gonna take it. Ending up losing all your money and some for the day. After that, we take a loss. And frustration pushes us into revenge trading, because why not? We're already lost everything today. We lost our profits, we lost some money. What the hell? It's already bad, so let's go. And then it goes worse, of course. You know the story. So this cycle happens all the time. And every trader has a different cycle when they are stuck in bad habits. With mechanical trading, the trader simply follows the rules. Enter here, exit there, risk this much. Yes, tilt, YOLO, exactly. It's like you're on a diet and then you know you're going to some friends for dinner and you're like, what the heck? And you end up eating 3,000 calories on that day, right? Because it's like, oh, I already ate a piece of cake, so I guess I can have another one, and I guess I can have another sugary drink, and I get, so it gets worse and worse. So, enter here, exit there, risk that amount, and your emotions don't have a chance to take over, because it is crystal clear what you have to do. Bonjour, Market Alchemist. Thank you so much for being here and watching this video. We've come to the end of this episode, but your journey doesn't stop here. Make sure to watch the next video in the series and don't forget to like and subscribe.